Hi East, I just wanted to share a few reminders about MackinVIA before you get started on your research. Once you log in, you're going to click on the red Groups tab, and then you're going to scroll down to choose the project that you are getting ready to work on. So for this example, I'm going to show you 6th grade ecology. I'm going to click on that, and I added databases and websites, a few videos and ebooks to this group. And there'll be a variety of different resources that have been cultivated for each group. So for this example, just to show you, if you are looking at a database, you're going to click on the Open Now. And right here, I want to show you for any database, your citation is done for you. So you would just click here on Cite, and right here is your MLA citation that you can easily add to your bibliography on your project. Let's go back, and let's say it was a website. So we'll click the green Open Now, and this takes me to a website. Since I'm going to use this for my project, I would have to go ahead after that and cite my source with the URL at the top here using EasyBib or another citation maker to create your citation so you can add it to your bibliography. I hope that this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to stop by and see me. Thanks.